Okay, just in case you closed out, we're going to go ahead and open up the Expert movie again, or whatever you have it saved under. And we're just going to work on a couple different things at this point. We have our title slide, we have our photos, the transitions, the visual effects, the credit slides. I'm actually going to remove these words, and it's as simple as right-clicking and hitting remove so that I don't forget to remove them. That way there's nothing else there. If I wanted captions there, I would have put them there, which we will in a second. But the first thing I want to go over, if you go to animations and just click on any slide would be great, and then over here to pan and zoom. There's different ways that you can run this through, and if you, again, with Windows Movie Maker, if you hover over them, it'll sort of show you which way the picture is going to zoom in from and pan out. So if you would like to do that, you can try that with a couple of different photos, see what works best when you select it, and you hover over those boxes. It'll show you pan and zoom, pan right. I haven't selected any effects. I haven't selected a transition for this one, which I can do now. And that'll be perfectly fine. That's not an issue. So it'll say that as well. So I have my diagonal down right one, my pan right, and my black and white yellow filter for the effects. So that's all saved into that one slide. And that'll all happen as I hit play. Okay, it transitioned, it did the effect, and it's doing the pan and zoom. So I want you to go through, make sure that you have those available to you, that you understand what they mean, that you find the one that's right for you. Again, that was under animations, under pan and zoom. Already added the effects, already added the transitions, but if you need to go back and figure some stuff out, that's fine as well. I'll give you a couple minutes to do that. So after you have figured out everything on that end, I have the next slide selected, which is where I'm dancing with a couple of girls in Haiti. You're going to go to the Home tab. Right in between title and credits, which we've used both of those slides before, there's going to be something called caption. And that's exactly what it is. It just adds a caption to that slide. So I'm going to hit caption. You'll see it comes up with this box that says enter text here. I'm going to put dancing with the Haitians. I'm going to change the font because you can't really see that down there. Let's make it something bright, vivid. Bold it so that everyone can see. And then I can arrange however I want it, wherever I want it. If I want it across the back of my shirt, I can most certainly do that. I can place it however I want. And then when I click off of that, as you'll see down here, it'll change that to Dancing with the Haitians. The text will be up for 7 seconds as long as the slide is up, and that will be fine. So you can do that with any slide that you need to. Just add that caption. It's under the Home tab in between title and credits. You can add it there, and then when we would press play from, say, here, it'll show you that transition with the pan zoom visual effects as well as the transition, and then it'll go right into the next slide where the text box is right on the slide ready to be read. Okay, and after you're done with doing all of that, the visual effects, the pan and zoom, the transitions, the captions, everything that you need done, we're going to go ahead and hit save. It's in the upper left-hand corner. Save the project. Don't worry about saving the movie yet because we're still not done. I have a couple other things I want to show you. But you're going to go ahead and hit save project so that we can work on this later.